Okay, so thanks for watching. Now in this video, I'm going to talk about how to build value so that you can build your other income streams. Okay, so in this video, I'm going to be talking about LeadsLeap and WarriorPlus, that are two sub-income streams that I highly value and play a very important role in my entire income portfolio. So I've got a number of income streams, and LeadsLeap and WarriorPlus are two income streams that really make a difference. And I'm going to talk to you guys about how to provide value, how to build those income streams so that they're going on in the background, because you need those, and they provide a lot of value, and they can work in conjunction with everything that you're doing. So obviously my main income stream is Live Good. But everything that I do in terms of building funnel, supporting my team, I make it a requirement, because LeadsLeap really helps a lot of the members of my team on building funnels, building marketing, marketing setups, and how to generate leads. Okay, and so obviously the stuff that I promote on Warrior Plus also helps with generating leads. And at the end of this video, okay, so stay tuned to the end of this video, because I'm just going to touch on what I'm going to be giving at the end of this video. I'm going to give you a bonus, okay. I'm going to be giving out, I've never really done this on this channel, okay, so this bonus are graphics that I'm going to be giving out, and I'm going to make a stipulation as to who will get access to these graphics. I use a lot of these graphics for a lot of my pages, and I'm going to give the entire download to these various graphics that I use on a lot of my pages. I mean, they've got things like headers, shadows, where you can actually put the shadow underneath elements and really make things stand out. So, you can, and the great thing about LeadsLeap is that, let me just show you what I mean. So let's take an example. So this is loading up a page in my editor. These little elements that you see here, like, the banners, like, the stuff that goes on here. I'm just going to undo that. And, things like the shadow and stuff like that you see down here. Actually, that's not, actually there is a shadow there. So I've put, things like shadows there and stuff like that. That really make things stand out, and also these arrows as well. So you've got the arrows here, and so you can drag them. The great thing about LeadsLeap is you can drag them into place, all right, and they look really cool. So here's another example. So here I've got, for example, I've got these arrows here that really make the page stand out and give a nice call to action. I've got these little sort of banners here that again make the page really stand out, and you can sort of drag them. The great thing about LeadsLeap is it's a pixel perfect, drag and drop. Really, you can put the, you can align your elements in, precision alignment with however you want. And obviously, I've got these little elements as well. You can put them in there, and you can set it to middle. And even things like this, these little elements here as well. And also video backgrounds, where they got the shadow underneath, and also the background there, so you can put them underneath videos, and you can layer everything, you see, and obviously these elements as well. So I've got them all here. Okay, you can download this. Okay, but I'm gonna explain some what the requirements are. So stay tuned to the end of the video, and I'll be giving these out. Okay, so and then there's also another directory here of some more elements that I'm going to be giving out as well. Okay. So anyway, so listen, guys. What I'm going to talk about is LeadsLeap. Okay, so I've with LeadsLeap I've been able to earn over $11,000, almost $12,000, and I earn about $1,000 a month by just simply having this running in the background. Because these are, this is what my team need. Okay, I promote this because LeadsLeap, compared to any other marketing system, in my opinion, is so accessible. It's very, very inclusive. Anyone, even someone who's coming on board and they're struggling with money, and they can't even afford to upgrade, it's free. you can use the free option, and you can even build pages. And unlike a lot of platforms where they might say they have a free version or whatever, but it turns out that it's just, of no use whatsoever. It's just a free trial or whatever. But this is actually a free for life option with LeadsLeap. Now, if you want to work with me and you need my guidance and support, I will demand that you do upgrade to a pro membership. But there are a lot of people who are just quite happy to sort of doodle around and use the platform. And guys, I've already brought out complete video courses, entire A to Z video training on the entire aspect of LeadsLeap. So you've got everything you need for this platform, and video guides and everything. I've got done for you share codes. So the majority of the people don't really need a lot of my help and attention. But the people who do need help and attention, I will demand that you do upgrade to the pro member if you need my help. Otherwise, most people will just be happy with the the video training and other things. Okay, so what I'm going to do now is I'm just going to talk about so we're going to talk about earnings. Okay, so a little disclaimer. My results are not typical, and depending on what your work ethic is and whether you're willing to follow simple instructions, you can make good money with LeadsLeap. It's a a residual income. Bringing in your team and referring people will allow you to earn potentially every single month if they decide to upgrade. It all depends on your willingness to really push your business forward. Okay, but I'm here to help, but I can't guarantee that you're going to be able to make money with this platform. Okay, with that said, let's talk about earnings. So I've got income here that I can withdraw. Now, as you can see down here, my affiliate commissions. On the whole, I generally play. As you can see, I'm earning about $1,000 a month. That's just the fact of it. And I've got a lot of pending commissions. And well, it's actually total. Actually, it's a total of $12,000. So it's just over $12,000 actually. And I'm going to show you down here. Okay, so let's have a look. Where is it? Actually, hold on. Oh yeah. So as you can see, with the withdrawals, on the whole, I'm placing a withdrawal twice a month. Okay, so this month it's last month. Sorry, in June I placed 2 withdrawals. Okay, in the month of May I placed 2 withdrawals. Okay, in the month of April I placed 2 withdrawals. In the month of March I only did 1 withdrawal, and so on. So sometimes I may not need to do a withdrawal, and it just sort of grows and grows and mounts up. But as you can see, this is a great residual income platform, and I'm earning a decent amount of money with this particular platform. So what I'm going to do is, I've set it up so that I'm able to withdraw the money to my bank account. Okay, so you can do that. Okay, so I'm going to click the button. I put it here, and I just simply submit. Okay, I select the what I want it to withdraw to. Okay, because I've already set this up within my back office, and I can simply place a withdrawal. Okay, of $462. I'll probably do another withdrawal later on this month, and it's as simple as that. So I do a withdrawal, and in a couple of days I'm able to get my money sent to my Wise account, which is automatically connected to my bank account, and that goes straight into my bank account. Okay, so this is really useful, and I can get that money straight into my bank account. Now, also with WarriorPlus, I generally place a withdrawal once a month, and usually on the whole, on average, I'm getting a sort of $1,000 withdrawal, okay, per month, and I'm going to do a withdrawal now. Okay, so let's check this out. So what you do is you click the withdrawal button, okay, and you state how much you want to withdraw. I'm going to put in $1,033. Okay, I'll just go with that, and then I'm going to confirm that. Okay, so the withdrawal will go through in 1 to 2 business days, and so if I just show you, if I go to all activity and I go to withdrawals, and I go to this. Okay, so as you can see, placed a withdrawal with just over $1,000. Okay, that's in pending. Last month I did a withdrawal of $1,493. Okay, that was last month. In May, just over $1,000. In April, I did 2 withdrawals in April. Okay, April was a good month. In March, I had $2,000 withdrawals there, just over. Okay, so if I'm not really focused particularly on Warrior Plus, but it makes money simply because I put it into everything that I do. My team get recommended my traffic recommendations that are a part of Warrior Plus. Okay, I put it part of my marketing system. I put it into my funnels. Okay, my team get to hear about my recommendations as to what I'm recommending. So I'm just focused on my primary businesses. And I just want to make sure that my team are catered for. They are always asking, what are your recommendations? My marketing systems, which is LeadsLeap, my recommended traffic sources, which is what I recommend on Warrior Plus, and that's really what I'm recommending. And this allows me to earn additional income. Now, is it right that I earn additional income from the members of my team? Guys, they do that as well. I'm encouraging them to do that because, business costs money. Don't come on board with a business expecting not to pay any money. We all pay this. I pay this, and I know that somebody's getting a commission out of me. And this is what I'm recommending. It's not that I'm recommending it just for the sake of getting commissions. I'm recommending it because, we pay for this and it's good quality traffic. Same with LeadsLeap. I've been on board with LeadsLeap for several years now, and it covers my costs, but I require this tool. It's a fabulous tool that continuously allows me to build all my businesses in one place. It allows me to create funnels for my team. I can share those share codes as done for you pages for my team. They get the value, and but they need to be a member of this LeadsLeap system. They can come on board for free and they can use it. If they want to upgrade and get more power with this system, they can. And I have a lot of people who are upgraded and using this system. So I highly recommend using these platforms and using my recommendations. I'll put the links below to both LeadsLeap and my recommendations on Warrior Plus, so that you can get access to all that. So with these 2 platforms, I'm earning over $2,000 a month. Okay, with these 2 platforms, and that's nice. It just allows me to focus on my primary businesses, but at the same time, it allows me to cover my costs and give me an extra income, which is residual. I do have other businesses and other passive income earning opportunities that are sort of running in the background and completely passive, and they're doing really, really well for me. But my main focus is live good, and I love what we've got here. I love the grind. I love the fact that we've got these great tools to support our side hustle, which for me is not really a side hustle. It's my full-time business, although I don't have to be running it as a full-time business. I'm not doing a 9-hour day. Obviously, I'm probably running it sort of 2 or 3 hours a day because I love to do it. I do YouTube videos. I post on social media. I purchase traffic for lead generation, as I've mentioned, and I run my free marketing system, which is Mega Marketing Pro. So the members get the value. And by following these strategies, you're going to be able to potentially generate, a decent income for yourself. And that's, at the end of the day, that's what we're here to do. So I'm just giving you the tools and the methods that I do. And that's what people are asking for. So, here they are. Anyway, so as promised, I'm going to give you access to this download that I mentioned with all these graphics. Okay, because I know that people have asked about, these kind of graphics, and you can you can get access to my done for you, share codes and stuff, which already have a lot of these on there. But by uploading some of these elements to make your pages pop, is really, really a way to take your whole business to the next level and get your pages more enticing, professional looking, And the other thing you can do is by creating pages for your team. I don't care what businesses you're promoting. If you're with me in LeadsLeap, okay, and you're a pro member, I'm going to give you this value. Okay, so that's the requirement. In order to get this download, you need to be a pro member under me in LeadsLeap. Okay, so that's the requirement. I mean, why else would I go bend over backwards to support the people? But if you're under me in Live Good, okay, or if you're under me in LeadsLeap, okay, as a pro member directly, obviously I can't guarantee. There's no way of me checking if you're down underneath someone else in my LeadsLeap organization. But unfortunately, that doesn't benefit me because we only get paid on the personal referred. Okay, so if you're a pro member, okay, and the reason why I make that stipulation is because I want to be working with key people. Okay, people who are serious, people who are ready to partner with me. Okay, so if you're serious and you want to take your business to the next level, that's what we're here to do. Get with me privately, and I will give you access to the to this download. Okay, so you can take your business to the next level. All right, thanks for watching, guys, and see you in the next training. So if you're a pro member under me in LeadsLeap, okay, and sure, if you're personally sponsored by me, or if you're in my if you're in my Live Good downline, even if you're in my downline's downline, okay, it means that I'm making money out of you. Okay, I don't want to make it all about money, but that's really what we're here to do. It is about making money, and this is premium stuff. So I'm not going to give it away for free. But if you're partnered up with me one way or another, I'm happy to give you the download. Okay, this is the first time I've ever offered that. So if you want to grab it, okay, get in touch with me. But make sure that you're either signed up with me in LeadsLeap and you're a pro member. Okay, I will be checking, or you're under me in Live Good. Okay, and if you want to come into my inbox and tell me that you're in my team, just help me to understand who is your sponsor, and so that I can just double check. Okay, and it will help me even more if you tell me who's your upline diamond or upline platinum. If you do that, that's even easier for me to double check. Okay, all right, thanks for watching, guys, and see you in the next training. Bye for now.